OK，yeah，also我 just mention 咁佢就逼嫦娥被包入佢，咁嫦娥就唯有吞咗落肚啦。Maybe we'll go back a little bit. Listen once again. Now we'll go back a little bit. Listen once again. 嗱，佢就被逼 OK，yeah。He haven't mentioned 嫦娥 ，but only mention 咧佢。only mention 佢啊嘛，係咪？because the man force already mentioned that the man entered the womb and then forced 嫦娥。And then we all know that the 藥 is in 嫦娥's womb at least, even not in her hand. Maybe now she sees someone coming in and then saying that, oh, give me the 不死藥. And then in maybe just in a second, she quickly grabs the 不死藥 and then swallow it. Because 佢咧就將包藥 because you haven't mentioned that the guy already get the 藥啊嘛。He only entered the womb and forced 嫦娥。to 俾藥佢，but 嫦娥 is mentioned 咧，佢想入屋咧就逼嫦娥啊嘛。Already mentioned that inside the womb 嫦娥 is here, and then he want to force 嫦娥 to 俾佢to give him Elisa, and then so at that time of course 嫦娥 is holding or she's grasping for the 藥, and then at that time of course who swallow it? Of course it is 嫦娥啦。So that 佢咧就 can mean 嫦娥 because already mentioned that he forced 嫦娥 to give him. Yeah, so it's understood. Of course you can make clear that 嫦娥咧就唯有將包藥吞咗落去啦。But it's always alright, can be understood. Because it already very clear. The man already entered the womb, already see 嫦娥. And then because previously the story already mentioned that 後羿咧就係帶咗包藥翻屋企啊嘛。Yeah. Okay. And then so maybe we can stop here. So maybe we listen once more for all those you learned today, so that to see whether we have missed some words. Listen once more, see whether we have missed something. 嗱，收埋佢啦，係啦。So just now we already know that 後羿 took the 藥home and then asked her wife to keep it. So when he has gone out and then the bad guy come in, of course 嫦娥 know where is the 藥. So when she sees someone forcing her to give her the 藥, of course she quickly grabs the 藥, but she has no way to keep it. She knows that, so she can only swallow it. So you hear already mentioned 嫦娥唔肯啊。So you know that the subject is 嫦娥啦 already. He forced 嫦娥唔肯 ，so 嫦娥吞啦。So we just mention 佢啦 ，because it's very clumsy for Chinese if they always mention 嫦娥，佢we can just say 佢啦 ，OK？ Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we already finished listening all those we have learned today. So what do you just say? Yeah. Because very clearly that 嫦娥 keep the 藥 and then the guy want to take the 藥. And then the guy entered the room, forced her, and then of course she is holding, and then she might grab the 藥 at that time, and then of course who swallowed it? Of course it is 嫦娥啦。When the story say 佢啦 ，of course it's 嫦娥啦。Because 個文氣啊 ，you can see that the overall presentation is clearly the flow is very clear. Okay, so you don't need to say 嫦娥，and then when you say 佢咧，it is understood that it is 嫦娥。Even 佢 can mean man can be used for man or lady, but here for the flow of the story so clear. Surely you know that the 佢咧 is 嫦娥啦，佢咧將包日吞咗落肚。Of course it's 嫦娥 who swallowed it because at that time, yeah, she was forced to give, but she doesn't want. Of course she swallowed it. Yeah. Okay. So we stop here. Yeah. Good. Thank you. So skip 2 classes and have a good holiday. See you.